Today, we will guide you through our easy-to-use Emecole Metro 8590 Control Joint Filler Kit to complete a clean, smooth, and professional-looking job. A kit of 8590 Control Joint Filler contains 3 single cartridges, safety glasses, disposable gloves, and the necessary mixers, nuts, and restrictors. Recommended tools to complete the job: an angle grinder with a dust shroud, a floor scraper, a single tube caulk gun, a wet-dry shop vac, and a disposable paper cup. Use the angle grinder to grind off the uneven and rough areas, getting down to the raw concrete. Vacuum again after grinding to ensure good product adhesion. Shake cartridge for 2 to 3 minutes. It is important to get a proper mix for consistent results. Remove the cap and the clear plug from cartridge. Set aside the plug to seal any unused product after the job is completed. Grab the clear restrictor from the kit and place it on top of the tube, slotting into the fin. Place mixer on top of the cartridge, straight down. Make sure to keep restrictor in place while securing with the nut. Insert the cartridge into the caulk gun. Next, purge the air in the cartridge. Rotate and slowly squeeze the trigger on the caulk gun while pointing it up until you see the material reach the top. Dispense approximately 1 mixer of material into the disposable cup to ensure proper mix. Dispense the material into the joint at a steady pace. If there's a delay installing, purge material every 60 seconds by dispensing a small amount of material into the disposable cup to prevent material from hardening in the mixer. Always keep caulk gun cartridge pointed down to prevent cross-contamination. Let the material cure for a minimum of 15 minutes before attempting to scrape off excess. You will end with a clean, smooth, professional-looking control joint that will be light traffic ready in 30 minutes and full service ready in approximately 1 hour. Thank you for using Emecole Metro's 8590 Control Joint Filler, and be sure to check out our other products and videos.